This 2023 Coachmen Freedom Express Liberty Edition 310BHDSLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Coachmen is 35 feet 6 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, a storm interior, sleeps 10, microwave, water heater, refrigerator, oven, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, skylight, slideout, DVD player, CO detector, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Freedom Express Liberty Edition 310BHDSLE is 7,888 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.